To set up your dedicated ISP proxies, go to ISP Proxies and click on Dedicated ISP. First, you'll see the authentication method field. You'll notice that a user with a username and password has been created automatically. You can copy the username to your clipboard by clicking on it. You may copy your password the same way. To see the password, click on this icon. By pressing the arrow, you'll generate a new password for your user. To delete a user, click the trash bin icon, then on Confirm Delete. Create a new user by pressing Create User, entering the username and clicking Create User. You'll be able to name the user as you wish, but the password is generated for you automatically. You can also authenticate via IP whitelisting. Click on Whitelisted IP. Then enter an IP manually or quickly add your current IP by pressing Add. Note that you can only add IPs that are in IPv4 format. Make sure the IP you're adding is yours and that you aren't using a proxy or VPN service at the time. Click here to name your whitelisted IP and save it with the checkmark. If you want to remove it, press the trash bin and confirm delete. Now let's move to the endpoint generator block. First, if you have multiple users, choose one. Then select your proxy location. Locations available depend on your purchased IP addresses. After that, pick your session type. If you choose a static session, your IP will remain the same until you change the setting. Choose rotating if you want your IP to change with every connection request. Then, select your preferred proxy protocol. You can download the created proxy list or copy it to your clipboard. Click here to see integration examples in different coding languages. In My IP List tab, you can check your proxy IPs and geolocations. To track your proxy usage, go to the Statistics block. Here, you can see the traffic usage of each user over a week, a month, or your chosen period. You can also see the total uploads, downloads, and requests. Apply the proxy endpoint, port, and if required, credentials to any application or tool. For guides on how to integrate our proxies, visit our YouTube channel and documentation.